Hello, Andrew here. In today's tutorial, we'll explore the world of broken links, understanding what they are, uncovering the reasons behind their occurrence, and delving into their significant impact on user experience and engagement. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are broken links? A broken link in an email is a hyperlink that doesn't work as intended. This could be a link to a website, an image, or a document that fails to open or load. What causes broken links? There are several reasons why links break. First, image location changes. If an image is moved or deleted from its original URL, the link in your email won't find it. Next, typos. A simple misspelling in a URL can lead to a dead end. Third, blocked CDNs. Some regions or email clients may block certain content delivery networks, breaking your links. Lastly, outdated links to web pages that no longer exist. So, what are the impacts of broken links? Broken links can frustrate users, leading to a poor experience and decreased engagement. Moreover, they can cause email delivery issues, as frequent broken links may trigger spam filters or harm your sender reputation. Now, let's focus on prevention. Here are the best practices to avoid broken links. 1. Regularly check and update links in your emails. 2. Use reliable CDNs and verify all links before sending out an email. 3. And always double-check for typos in your URLs. Let's demonstrate how Campaign Cleaner does all of this for you at a click of a button. I've put together an example campaign to outline the most common causes of broken links. There are numerous HTTP status codes for broken links. These are some of the most common. 1. A400 bad request. 2. A403 forbidden. 3. A404 page not found. 4. A429 too many requests. 5. A500 internal server error. 6. A504 gateway timeout. I already pre-cleaned this campaign. So let's dive into the Analysis tab. Here, in the link summary section, you'll see how Campaign Cleaner astutely identified 6 broken links in our example campaign. If I click on the number 6, a modal window will open showing the 6 broken links found in this campaign. You can see the status codes match and how Campaign Cleaner quickly identified them all. Now let's click on All Links, and you can see that there were 2 good links, along with the 6 bad ones, and the link with the 307 temporary redirect shows you where it was redirected to. To sum up, ensuring your emails are free of broken links is key to providing a stellar user experience and maintaining engagement. Follow these best practices and let Campaign Cleaner be your ally in achieving this goal.